NSU gives students a competitive advantage in their careers, their communities, their lives. We give students the tools to harness the best within themselves and an edge to become more confident, capable, and caring professionals. NSU's practical personal learning environment gives all of our students a portfolio of work that makes them more marketable in any career path. It's an approach that's less like the classroom and more like the real world. It gives NSU graduate students more clinical experience, more personal attention, more career opportunities, and higher pass rates. NSU is the only university to give all undergraduates a 4-year career coach, and our dual admission programs offer them secured admission to graduate, professional, or medical school. Plain and simple, that's why graduates of NSU's bachelor's, master's, doctoral, and professional degree programs become the kinds of leaders that make a real difference in the real world. And that's what we mean when we say our students have the NSU Edge. Nova Southeastern University. Prepare to dominate.